I've been, oh, sorry, um, inducing a lot today, and um, my sneezes are starting to get like very messy, and I'm really congested now, and it's very strange. It almost feels like I have a cold almost, and this always happens when I sneeze enough. I just get like really stuffy, and the sneezes are really kind of messy, and uh, the sneezes always get like stuck, probably because I'm too stuffy to sneeze them out. But oh gosh, I really need to sneeze right now. I've been sneezing a lot today, so uh, my nose is probably very tired of me right now. uh, and oh gosh, I've been going through a lot of tissues today too, and oh, oh gosh, my sneeze is gonna bug me for this entire thing. Um, uh, 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 that is frustrating. Um, and oh yeah, anyways, and also I've sneezed enough that I'm starting to feel it in my throat too, so that's very strange because it kind of feels like I have a cold right now. But oh wow, no, I'm just very stuffed up. And when I sneeze, it's rather messy. And uh, uh, but it seems that I'm not sneezing anymore at the moment. So, oh wait, uh, oh gosh, this tickles me, driving me crazy. I think um since I was inducing uh, with 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 dust earlier, definitely is part of this. I think I'm gonna try to blow my nose a little and see if that can clear me up a little bit. Excuse me. Uh, oh gosh, yeah. Gonna sneeze. Uh, it still doesn't want to come out. Uh, 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 I think I'm too stuffy to sneeze anymore. I don't know. Uh, um, uh, anyways, yeah. Uh, it's coming. I know it's gonna come. It's driving crazy. That's frustrating. My eyes are so watery right now. Like I feel like I'm crying. Uh, it's crazy. Uh, could be. Oh! Oh, that. Oh, it's very messy. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, oh no. I'm running out of tissues. Uh, uh, Get a sneeze again. Wait, no. Maybe I'm not. If I sneeze again, it's gonna get pretty messy, I think. Excuse me. Oh, this tickle is driving me crazy. Oh, it wants to come, but I think I'm too stuffed up. Oh no, I need a tissue. It's gonna, oh, it's coming. Oh, I need a tissue, and it's gonna be big and messy. Oh! Oh!